Just left McClacken's, McCarran's, or McAllen. McCarthy's, one of those Irish pubs.
My buddy Rafa, and he introduced me to Cappuccino, which I've never had in my life. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not as burnt coffee tasting that I usually hate. Pretty good. Another like half cup of sugar would be even better.
Oh, just doesn't look like it.
But here it's raining more.
Right.
Because it's a Mexican law, like the clouds do whatever they want. So here it's raining more, and here it's just starting to rain. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Mexico.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Oh, a little wet outside.
Where's your umbrella?
Nowhere.
What happened, Chase? What's going on with the streets out there?
The street is flooded. We saw a little creek. The pool is almost flooded.
Pool and the creek?
No, the pool is almost flooded.
Oh my gosh.
You better not want to go out there.
Why?
Because it is raining so hard.
Is it raining cats and dogs?
I don't fall in that pool.
I'm not gonna lie, Mexico in the rain is not great, but it's refreshing. Clean stuff. Gives you a good excuse to work, that's for sure. All right, it's what?
That's what the wind is.
Yeah.
That's a tornado.
Oh my gosh, it's raining.
Oh my gosh. It's so wet. It's so wet out there. Oh my gosh, it's so wet. Look at this.
It's definitely raining a lot. It's definitely a little floody.
We're on the street.
I know, crazy.
I just stepped on the creek. Oh.
Yeah.
The forecast today was 30% chance of rain, and it's rained like 3 times today. So, Chase, where are you going? Come on. On your mark. Get set. Go. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. kind of sweet. I don't know. It's okay. Sweet? Yeah, sweet.
Can I taste yours?
Sure. Oh, look at that. Made in California. Just kidding. I don't know where it's made. Mexico. Sweet? What? Is it not sweet? You want to try it?
It doesn't taste like anything.
What do you mean? It tastes sweet.
It tastes very light.
After the IPA.
I don't taste anything.
Yeah, it tastes like, yeah.
Yeah, cold water.
Really?
I think it's great. Leave me alone in my water beer.
Chase? Is your beer good?
Chase, do you want to do a cheers?
Oh yeah. All right, Chase is famous for his cheers. Go ahead, Chase. Did you say anything?
Say something.